Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have beans down about a penny, corn unchanged, and wheat up 2 cents. It was interesting yesterday that Minneapolis December wheat filled a gap from a long time ago and offers maybe some support to the market that has sold off pretty sharply from this season highs. Tuesdays this time of year are a time in which we look at USDA numbers. They said the corn harvest is 17% down versus 26 average, and the ratings actually went up to 63% good to excellent versus 73 last year. Bean harvest is 22% done versus 26 average. Ratings stayed at 60% good to excellent versus 74 last year. And we've got about 36% of the crop planted for next year versus 43 average. We saw one private group raise their corn yield to 169 from 167, and they also raised their bean yield slightly to 49.9 from 49.8. These are all numbers that are closer to the USDA's September numbers. Another group raised their yield 2 bushels to 168, and beans 1 bushel to 49. So another confirmation that on October 12th the USDA might keep their crop numbers unchanged. We are hearing that farmers selling a little beans and corn, but so far a little bit behind what they normally would have sold given these lower prices. We also note that the dry weather is causing low waters. It's backing up grain into the domestic market. Bases are weaker, and so that's also probably reducing some of the farmers selling. Both European and American models shows good chances of rain across the Midwest over the next 5 days. One model a little heavier rain than the other. All this moisture would be welcome first by crop soils, but also maybe leaking off into some of the river systems and helping the navigation a little bit. South American weather, mostly looking for dry weather now in parts of Argentina and northern Brazil. Light to moderate rains falling in southern Brazil. The 6 to 10 day forecast has light to moderate rains over most of Argentina, moderate rains in southern Brazil. The rest of Brazil looks dry on the 6 to 10 days. So we have to keep watching northern Brazil dryness to see if that's a factor in their crop numbers. The one group came out and said that Brazil's 2018 soybean crop, 109 million tons versus 114 this year. Argentina, 55 versus 57.8. And the Brazil corn crop at 88 versus 98, and Argentina 42 versus 41. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, oil, corn, and wheat. And they continue to have a small long position in beans, short about 130 corn, and short about 70 wheat. So we'll see if we can find some support going into the weekend, going into the October 12th report, maybe a little bit of short covering, especially in the corn, and then we'll see how we play out the remainder of the season. There are some seasonals that we tend to make bottoms in corn and beans in October. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.